Yo, what's up guys? So today, we are back and today I bought some World War II items. See, the stuff are already back here. So yeah, you of course have to subscribe to my channel so we could reach 1k subs. So yeah, anyways, let's get into agenda. First of all here, the iconic World War II German stick grenade. Of course, this one is from World War II. This is of course the best grenade prop grenade of them. This was used on I think the 1939, I don't know, but yeah. This is of course pure hardwood, but yeah. Coolest thing for my room. Yeah, I bought this kind of World War II stuff. Very cool. Next up here is a US Allied field dressing aid. So alright, this is a field dressing aid and we're gonna open this up. You guys take the first look. Damn. Out here. Check what this is. The coolest thing is we don't care about those. We care about this. My god. Oh my god. This is a cool display piece. Very cool. Next up in the list is a World War II stainless steel bucket. I don't know why, but this stuff are an absolute staple in World War II. They use this to boil water, get water, or even use this to cook rations. I think this was used by the British Army. The iconic thing. Very cool. If only I could have that MRE from that video, this one. And alright boys. The moment you have been waiting for. The final object. The ration. Opened it, as you can see. And yeah, I'm ready to freaking dig in with this thing. So alright. Let's try this thing out.
Was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Your typical rice ration. So inside is just your typical rice actually. Typically it come in a can like this, but yeah, you basically have just to put this in a campfire and it's basically done. Oh yeah, so this is what soldiers eat. When they want rice, they get this stuff. You can never beat this stuff. As a bonus, let's drink some Coca-Cola. Here's our Coca-Cola. Alright. Hope you enjoyed that video. Hope you like. Of course, you can never forget to comment, subscribe, so we could reach 1k. So yeah, bye.